Hello, my name is Lorenzo Davis, and I'm from Seattle, Washington, in the United States of America. I'm a private citizen by the truth of the truth that guarantees the knowledge of the self, of the judgment of the truth that living nature is a truth that guarantees the only remedy of fact, and a truth that enables itself to be in the judgment of the knowledge of the truth that understands itself, and the nobility of the truth that hears itself away, and the realities that pattern itself in the knowledge of itself, to be in the fact of the truth that lives itself in nature, to the identities that cause itself to not conflict in the truth of the judgment of the denial of the truth that any matters in the truth of self cannot partake in the truth of the judgment that knows no understanding, to be in the knowledge of itself and the truth that liberty is a truth that causes itself in the facts of the matters, and the matters that partake in the truth of the judgment is not partaking in the truth that knowledge itself is different and different to the understandings of law, and the truth that enables itself to grow and grow more broadly in definition, and the truth that needs itself more in the definite reality, and the truth of the realities that knows itself to be definite is the causes of the fact that cause itself in the truth of the relationships that enjoin itself to the partake in the truth of the knowledge of itself, and the knowledge of giving itself, the testimony of the witness of the truth that adheres to itself, and the judgment of itself, and the knowledge of the truth of its fact, and the knowledge that knows itself to be given in the truth of this truth of what it investigates, and the knowledge of the truth of what it learns to be, learns to grow, and learns to see, and evident of the truth of the matters that know itself to be the quality and the equality of the truth of the logic, and the truth of the denials of no fact, and the truth of what's heard is the denial of the truth that given reality is the truth that is needed, and the truth of the time of a need, and the truth that lives itself, and the only realities that can matter, and the truth of itself is a judgment of the knowledge of the understanding of itself, and the knowledge of the truth that partakes itself in the judgment, and the truth that causes itself to benefit in the least resort, and the knowledge of itself to partake itself to the divine, and the freedom that causes itself to act to enable its act, and the realities that matters is the truth, not knowing the difference, and the truth to the matters of fact, and the truth that knows itself to be given and heard and listened to be spoken, to be given in the words of truth, that knowledge of itself can be fact, and the truth that live and evident, and the truth of the theory cannot growing in the truth of the evolution of evolving and evolved realities and distance and changing in themes, theories, designs, and patterns, to the nobility of style, and the truth of the moments, of the truth that given facts as need is the clouded reality that seems itself appearing away, in the truth of the clouds of the truth that glory is the truth that fascinates, the truth that given needs is not pleasurable to any team of competition.